Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy braided hairstyle for the summer to keep your hair out of your face. Start with the middle parting and on one side take a small section of hair in the middle. Divide this into 3 sections and do a regular 3-strand braid. We do this by crossing the left section over the middle, then the right section over the middle. Left section over the middle, right section over the middle. And we do this all the way until we reach the bottom of the hair. Then, using your fingers, we're going to gently pinch and pull at each little stitch of that braid to make it a little bit bigger. Then secure it off with a clear elastic band. Now we're going to take a slice of hair from either side of that braid. And we're going to bring these together and pull them back slightly past the first braid. And we're just going to divide it into 3 equal sections and again do another 3-strand braid all the way to the end of the hair. Make sure that you've pulled this section past your first braid so it doesn't overlap it. Pinch and pull the braid for a bit more fullness and secure with an elastic band. And it is just that simple. We're just going to repeat on the opposite side. So take your middle section and do a 3-strand braid. Pinch and pull for fullness. Then divide off a section from both sides of the braid. Bring these together at the back of the head. And again, do one more 3-strand braid all the way to the end of the hair. Don't forget to pinch and pull it to make it a little bit bigger and secure with an elastic band. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.